Hey everyone, today I'm going to go over how to replace the reverse bulb on the Corolla IM or Scion IM. The only tools you will need here is either a flathead or a trim tool and the replacement bulb of your choice. Now getting started, open your lift gate and on it you will see the cutout for the lighting panel. Take your tool and get it into the large slot and pop the panel off. You will just need to pop off the 2 points on the slotted side, then the other side will come right out. Now that the socket is exposed, just turn it counterclockwise to free it and pull it down to get to the bulb. Then pull the bulb straight out and push the new one in to replace it. Keep in mind that if you're replacing it with a halogen bulb, you may want to use gloves to keep your hand oils from creating hot spots. Once in, you will want to test the bulb by turning the key to position 2 and putting it in reverse. Keep in mind that the engine doesn't have to be on for it to light up. If you have an LED and it still isn't lit, you may need to reverse the connections because of the polarity. The LED I have is non-polar, so I don't have to worry about that. When everything checks out, we can now put the panel back by placing the unslotted side first, then popping the other side into place. That's all there is to it. I hope that this video helped you, and thanks for watching.